Hi, my name is Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. In this video, I'm going to talk with you more about trusts subject to court supervision and how a trust can get under court supervision in California. This is the second video in a 4-part video series. At the end of the prior video, I informed you that generally there are 2 ways that a trust can get under court supervision. 1, the trust is funded by a court order, or 2, there is court litigation involving the trust, normally due to alleged malfeasance of the trustee in charge of carrying out the terms of the trust. Now, let's get into the 3 different ways that a trust can be funded by a court order. The California Rules of Court exist to standardize the ways that courts manage their cases across all of California. The California Rules of Court provide that a trust funded by court order is a trust that will receive funds through any one of 3 types of court order. Those court orders are 1. Substituted judgment court orders, 2. Spousal property court orders, or 3. Court orders resulting in proceeds for minors or people with disabilities. You need a working understanding of each of these types of orders, so I'm going to explain each of them to you briefly and clearly, hopefully. Substituted judgment court orders occur only in conservatorship court proceedings. They authorize the conservator in charge of a conservatorship to take certain actions on behalf of the conservatee. For example, a substituted judgment court order could authorize the conservator to sign a trust for the conservatee and to transfer the conservatee's assets into the trust. If you don't know whether your situation involves a conservatorship, then it likely does not, because conservatorships are very involved court proceedings. For more information about conservatorships, please see our prior videos on that subject. Spousal property court orders can arise when 2 people are married, one of them lacks capacity, and the other of them does not lack capacity. Also, spousal property orders are available for registered domestic partners. Similar to a substituted judgment court order in a conservatorship, a spousal property court order authorizes the spouse who has capacity to take certain actions on behalf of the spouse who does not have capacity. For example, a spousal property court order could authorize the spouse with capacity to sign a trust for the spouse who does not have capacity and transfer their assets into the trust. Finally, court orders resulting in proceeds for minors or people with disabilities often occur when the minor or disabled adult was involved in an accident that resulted in litigation. If the litigation results in a settlement agreement or a court judgment that provides for payment of funds to the minor or disabled adult, then the funds often transfer to a special type of trust called a special needs trust. For more information about special needs trusts, please see our prior videos on this subject. In the next video, we'll discuss the last way that a trust can get under court supervision. See you in the next video. At Meinzer Law Firm PC, we have over 20 years of experience helping clients achieve their goals in trust cases. Again, I'm Andrew Meinzer of Meinzer Law Firm PC. If you know that you need our help, or even if you just have a question, please contact us and let us take care of you.